Hello, what's up guys? Today I will be unboxing this shredder from Fellowes. Another box! It says that it's 100% jump proof. I think we should totally test it out to see how accurate that is. The info indications will let you know that when it's full because you cannot actually see inside some of the other Fellowes model. This is a newer model and this one is made for business setting. When I was researching for a shredder, Fellowes show up. It's like Fellowes is one of the top rated brand from many websites. That's why I decided to pick this one up. So this is Fellowes LX210. It has a very nice look to it. The look is one of the reasons why I bought it. As you guys probably already know by now, each time I review something, usually are the better looking items from the options that they have in here. Oh, the cord is in here with some paperwork. So while you guys are here, you guys can see that it has a very large bin. This shredder do the micro cut, so the paper is gonna be really small, like half the size of cross cut. Having a bin this big will take a while to be filled up. Next, the cord is a gray color, nicely matched with the machine itself. Come with lubricant and some garbage bags. It has a fancy shiny text to it. I guess this is what happens when you buy a more premium model. Congratulations on your purchase. Register to win $500 and injection. So you can move them around if you need to. Let's plug in just to see how it's like. It has a pretty cool looking blue light. Here's a little menu, little stick. This shredder is made for 16 pages. That's 24 pages. Alright, we will put it in and see if it works. And this looks like the forward icon and that's backwards. So I guess when it's stuck, you push it backward. But they say 100% jump proof. So here it goes. Oh, it's right in 24 pages. So it easily went in and there was no problem at all. It's gone. Oh, it gave you a red indicator when it's open. But look, it turned into teeny tiny thin in the matter of seconds. That was pretty crazy. And then we want it out. Then it comes out. It won't save it. It's it's cut. And so far nothing jumped, so I think it does its job. I want to show you guys this. So look, when this finger touching part of this silver bar, it stopped shredding because they don't want to shred fingers. With how deep this hole is, I don't think kids' finger actually can fit in there. And with the safe sensor, make this a safe option at home. Oh, we can open. Oh, and that does do the job. When you hold the sensor for 5 seconds, the machine shuts off. And that's what you guys see. If you open the bin and close it, will restart the machine. There's also a power button on the back of the machine. You can turn it off and on. It will restart the machine. I don't know if you guys know this previously. Every shredder has a runtime and a cool time, like the time it takes to get boosted back up. The runtime for this machine is 20 minutes. It's really long, and you need to take a break for 15 minutes. With how fast this thing goes, 20 minutes you'll be shredding a lot of paper. I potentially probably able to shred all my important documents from my entire career. Right here, it will give you an indicator that alert you when the shredder has nearly maxed runtime and when it needs a cooldown. They have 3 versions, so this is LX210 in the LX series, which is the newest series in the Fellowes shredder. The main difference is just how many paper that you can shred at once. For the oil, drip it in along, and that will oil the machine. And then after you put in the oil across, this is just, they say that in the manual, this is just regular vegetable oil. After you put it in, you just hold on to this for 5 seconds for it to run for a little bit, and then that's the oiling. So that's basically the machine. I really like it being super simple. The look of it is super impressive. Majority of the shredder are black, and because I am setting up my home office mostly white, so I think this is gonna look awesome. If you guys like this video, please click on like and subscribe. I will see you guys next time. I'm just seeing if there's anything else. Sleep mode. This machine has a sleep mode.